Y'all, today's Dollar Tree haul is amazing. I found a lot of good, new stuff. But I'm going to start off with the boring stuff I just had to pick up. So I grabbed this razor. It's the Assured for Men. First off, how are they going to know it's for men? But if y'all remember the pink razor I picked up a few weeks back, don't get it. It was horrible. It has cut me so many times, more than any razor I've ever had. So I was like, I'll just grab a new one. This one is the only one I could see in a package that I liked. I don't know. Then I got Twix. I already ate a pack. Don't judge me. I got some hand soap. I don't know if this one's good. I can't remember, but it was antibacterial. I just need a hand soap instead of just always using Dawn on my hands. And then I was out of toothpaste and I didn't feel like going to Walmart, so I grabbed these. I normally use the Sensodyne, but I wanted to use the Colgate Optic White, but this one looked new to me. The Sensitive Complete Protection. Y'all let me know if that one's a new one. I know there's some sensitive ones out there, but okay, that's all the old stuff boring. Let's get into the fun new stuff. So I found this lip smacker. It says Kiss Therapy Grapefruit, clinically proven moisture locking formula with coconut and jojoba oils. And it's SPF 30. So this is going to be so good during the summertime, and it is name brand, y'all. And then I only came up with this lip scrub. I don't think I've seen this before, have y'all? But it's lavender, and this was the only one I could see. But what I liked about it, the lip scrub I have, it's like you have to dig it out, and I don't always like that. So this one looked easier to use. Ooh, yeah. Okay, I'm excited for that because my lips do get dry, so. All right. Then I grabbed this. It looked familiar, but maybe because I just don't always pay attention to the hair stuff there. But it's Salon Selective. It's a heat protectant, repairing technology. So I thought that was nice because it's I don't see a lot of heat protectants there. So let me know if y'all have used any of these, the heat protectants there, and let me know, do y'all like them? Are they good? Okay, moving on. So I don't know if y'all remember last week or the week prior, I don't remember when it was. I hauled these cleansers. It's the glowing and the smooth and lift. Okay, so I found these two also. So it goes like this. So now I'm wondering if there's another one. There's more to that one. I would assume there is. And I know I seen their facial wipes for the blue one. I just didn't grab them. I don't use facial wipes, but I didn't see any for this. So I'm not really sure. But this one is a vitamin C facial serum. It's the glowing. And then this is vitamin C skin cream. What? So those were nice. And then I found these little Q-tips. Sorry, I'm trying to grab them. And there's 4 different ones. I actually got 5. I got 2 of the rose ones. So these are going to be so cute to grab for the summertime if you're going camping like we are or traveling at all. And then whenever you're done, if you can fill it back up with new ones, or you can put Band-Aids in here or any little thing so you can reuse the containers. So you have the rose. Let's see, does it say? Yeah, just infused with rose oil. They're cosmetic cotton swabs is what they're called. Infused with coconut oil. This one is lavender. And there's 50 in there. And then this one is green tea oil. So I thought these were pretty, and I'm actually going to put these in my girls' wedding beauty basket, so they'll have them for the wedding if they need to clean up their makeup or do any touch-ups. All right, sticking in the skincare department I came across these, y'all. These are Be Pure, but they look so pretty and like professional, like they updid their packaging. This one is a collagen lotion. Hopefully, yeah, revitalizing body lotion. So you have the collagen and then hyaluronic acid. Like, I'm about to smear this all over. Hydrating. And then this one says it's vitamin C, illuminating. Can you use all 3 in a day? Because I need all of them. But I just thought the packaging was beautiful, and I've never seen those. And then, y'all, I don't know anything about this brand, so I'm going to need y'all to tell me. Have y'all ever heard of Derma Geek? Because I guess I'm going to have to Google it. But, y'all, how cute and amazing. So this is the fragrance-free, sulfate-free, gentle facial cleanser. Y'all. And it's 5 fluid ounces. This is the Nourishing Facial Night Cream. And again, the Derma Geek. This is vitamins and antioxidants for fighting free radicals, fortifying facial serum. So you have the facial serum. And then you have the smoothing facial serum with retinoids. It normally says retinol, but it says retinoids. 0.3% retinoids for fine lines and wrinkles. Can you believe this? I was baffled, y'all. $1.25 at Dollar Tree for these. Y'all better grab them. Y'all better grab them. All right. Then I also found this. It says it's their Pride line, their Prideful line that they have out right now. And this was the only one I've seen, but I just thought it was really, one, pretty. It's a rainbow. But it says 5-piece facial sheet mask set. So you have one which is collagen and retinol, 2 vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, 3 tea tree oil and aloe vera, if I could talk, 4 argan oil and vitamin E, and 5 fruit extract and avocado oil. So each one is different. How cool is that? That is so neat. I can't believe it. Set of 5, y'all. All right. Then I found these cool pops. They might have been out last year. I'm not really sure. But there was 20 of them in there. And these at like Walmart, they're not cheap, y'all. I mean, well, I say that. They're like, some of them are. I think you can get some that are like 98 cents. I don't know, but I thought these were cool. I'm bringing these on our camping trip, and that way in case any of my little cousins or whatever want something, or we decide we want something cool, because it's already hot in Texas, y'all. It's already 80 degrees, and I'm starting to sweat already, and yeah. Anyways, so my last few things I grabbed was this heavy foam shower cleaner. Y'all, it looks, I don't know what it was. This is what made me feel like it was new. It reminds me of it looks like the Kaboom to me a little bit. Quick and easy cleanup, bathtub, shower. I don't know. But this other one, this is the one that got me more. Y'all, it says deodorizing bathroom cleaner. It's concentrated pods starter kit. So it's a spray bottle. Yeah, it's a spray bottle head inside, and then you get these little pods. So you put it in there, and I think you, yeah, okay. So when the bottle is empty, refill with water to fill line. Do not over. Okay. So I think you mix it something with it, like with water. I don't know. I'd have to read more, but I just thought that was neat. So I got that, and then these are the refillable ones. So that comes with 2 already, and this comes with 3. Are you kidding me? I really hope this works, but I mean, I would assume maybe you don't have to just use it on bathrooms. I don't know. I gotta read into it a little more, but I just thought it was really good. I don't know. That's all I got to say. So that's all my haul is today, and it's all mostly brand new stuff. So let me know if y'all were able to find any of these items or if you're gonna be on the hunt for them. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.